Hello, BSc third year students. Please listen here carefully. Today we will study the mimicry and coloration in the animals. So this is the third chapter from your syllabus. Unit first we have already completed. Unit second we have started, and from the unit second the third chapter, that is last chapter from the unit second, is the mimicry and coloration in the animals. So dear students, you remember in this paper we have to study the ethology, then biometry, and then bioinformatics. So three different parts or three different branches we have to study in brief in this paper. So unit first is based on the ethology. Unit second is also on the ethology. And you know, ethology is the study of animal behavior. And animal behavior is the response to the stimulus in their environment. So this mimicry and coloration, this chapter is based on the ethology. After completing this chapter, the unit second will be completed. So from the unit second, this is the third chapter. So here we will study the mimicry and coloration. Actually, this is the two different phenomena. Mimicry is one phenomena and coloration is another phenomena. This is the two different phenomena. So first we will study the mimicry. First we will study here the mimicry, and then after completing this mimicry, we will start and we will study the coloration. So here mimicry we will study first. So what is the mimicry? Whenever we are studying any point from the syllabus, first we have to understand the definition, or we have to define what is the mimicry. आपण कुठलाही पॉइंट जर अभ्यासात असेल तर आपल्याला त्याचं अगोदर सुटसुटीत, शॉर्ट बट स्वीट अशी व्याख्या करता यायला पाहिजे. वी हॅव टू फर्स्ट डिफाइन इन शॉर्ट व्हॉट इज दॅट, काय आहे ते. सो हियर मिमिक्राय, व्हॉट इज द मिमिक्राय? सो लिसन, मिमिक्राय is the natural device developed in the animals for the protection from their enemies. This mimicry is the natural device developed in the animal for the protection from their enemies. शत्रूपासून बचाव करण्यासाठी जे नैसर्गिक देणगी प्राण्यांना निसर्गाने जी दिलेली आहे त्याला म्हणायचं मिमिक्राय. यू आर अंडरस्टँडिंग मी? द नॅचरल डिव्हाइस for the well adaptation of animals to their environment, for to protect or for protection from their enemies, is called as the mimicry. It is very important phenomenon. Due to this phenomena, animals can survive very well by adopting the mimicry. Now here, according to the Ford, remember Ford, F-O-R-D, Ford is the name of scientist. Ford was a ethologist doing the study of animal behavior. प्राण्यांच्या वर्तनाचा अभ्यास करणारा शास्त्रज्ञ ज्याचे नाव आहे फोर्ड. अकॉर्डिंग टू द फोर्ड, मिमिक्राय इज an adaptive coloration in the animals to their environment. फोर्डचे काय म्हणणं आहे? मिमिक्राय काय आहे? अडॅप्टिव्ह कलरेशन आहे. अडॅप्टिव्ह कलरेशन. अडॅप्टिव्ह मीन्स adaptation. Again question arises, what is the adaptation? We have already studied the adaptation. Adaptation is a natural phenomena, God gift given to the animals. Adaptation is nothing but the adjustment made by animals to their surroundings or to their environment. Adjustment करणे, ॲडजस्ट करणे. ॲडजस्ट करण्याची जी कॅपॅसिटी प्राण्यांमध्ये असते, जे प्राणी ॲडजस्ट करतात वातावरणाशी, सराउंडिंगशी, परिस्थितीशी और environment. The animals, those doing adjustment with their environment, that animals are successful. And the animals, those are not doing adjustment to the surroundings or to the environment, that animal will be finished. So remember, adjustment is very important in the life of any animal. Here not only about the human beings, we are considering the all animals of the world. आपण संपूर्ण प्राण्यांचा इथे अभ्यास करतो. मानव प्राण्यांचा फक्त नाही. मानव प्राण्यामध्ये सुद्धा तेच आहे की जो माणूस परिस्थितीशी ॲडजस्ट करतो, समायोजन करतो, तो माणूस सक्सेसफुल. And those are not adjusting with their surroundings or with their environment, that animal will be finished. So, according to the Ford's opinion. Now another scientist, that is the Weissman, about the mimicry, his opinion is the mimicry is a natural selection. Weissman states that mimicry is the natural selection and it is a favor in protection. प्राण्यांच्या संरक्षणासाठी, प्रोटेक्शनसाठी हे मिमिक्राय, it is very important. So, according to the Weissman, mimicry is a natural selection in the protection. So, natural selection is a factor in protection. That is the mimicry. So, similarly, another scientist's opinion, that is the Goldsmith. What is the opinion or what states that Goldsmith? The matching of animals due to the phylogenetic mutation is called as the mimicry. So, different scientists given the different views about the mimicry. Now, we will study as per the syllabus the types of the mimicry. So, remember there are two types of the mimicry. So, here mimicry is of two types, and one type is the protective mimicry and second type is the aggressive mimicry. Remember, types of the mimicry. There are mainly two types, and that two types are, one is the protective mimicry and another one is the aggressive mimicry. Now we will study the one by one what is the protective mimicry and then we will study what is the aggressive mimicry. So here the protective mimicry. So protective mimicry is a common resemblance with the surroundings. Protective type of mimicry is a common resemblances with the surroundings. Again, this protective type of mimicry is two types. Protective mimicry is further classified into two types. One type is the concealment protective mimicry, and second is the warning protective mimicry. So protective, warning protective mimicry and concealment protective mimicry. So this protective mimicry is further classified into the two types. So here this we will study the concealment protective mimicry. The best example of this concealment protective mimicry is the caterpillar of geometrid moth. Moth is just like the butterfly. You can see it is attached with the wall during the night time, very near to the light. रात्रीच्या वेळेस लाईट ऑन केल्यानंतर लाईटच्या प्रकाशामध्ये लाईटच्या जवळ येऊन जे बसतात आपल्याला पाकुळ्यासारखे वाटतात, बटरफ्लाय सारखे वाटतात, भिंतीला चिटकून बसतात. सो दॅट इज द मॉथ. पाकुळ्याचाच प्रकार आहे, बटरफ्लायचाच प्रकार आहे, पण चिटकून राहतात असं. दॅट इज डिफरंट. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मॉथ. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मॉथ हियर. सो जिओमेट्रिड moth is a special type of moth, and the life cycle of this geometrid moth, this moth gives the eggs. From the eggs, the larvae, eggs hatches into the larvae. हे अंडे देतात, अंड्यामधून आळ्या बाहेर येतात. त्या आळ्या जे आहेत त्याला आपण लार्वे असं म्हणतो. दॅट इज व्हेरी फास्ट फीडर. लार्वे इज very fast feeders. They destroy our crops. So here the larva of the geometrid moth, caterpillar is the larva. So that caterpillar of the geometrid moth is a best example of the concealment protective mimicry. So when it is on the plant, this caterpillar of geometrid moth, when it is on the plant, we cannot identify whether there is a larva or not. It's just like the one branch of that plant. हा लार्वा फिगर मध्ये तुम्ही बघू शकता की हा लार्वा त्या प्लांट वरती असल्यानंतर आपल्याला प्लांटचाच तो एक भाग असा वाटतो आणि त्याच्यामुळे the birds cannot catch and eat the caterpillar because it is not easily identified whether it is a larva or not, whether it is the caterpillar or not. So in figure, by observing the figure, you can clearly understand the caterpillar of geometrid moth is a concealment protective mimicry. Another example is the stick insects. Stick insects, it is a arthropod animal. Phylum Arthropoda and class Insecta. So this is an insect, and its legs and its body is just like the stick. अशा काड्या काड्यासारखं दिसतं. And when this animal is on a plant or on a grass, so their predator cannot identify there is the insect, there is our prey. भक्षक ह्या भक्ष्याला आयडेंटिफाय करू शकत नाही. सो इट परफेक्टली मॅचेस टू द प्लांट्स अँड दिस परफेक्टनेस टू मॅचेस देअर प्लांट्स, देअर सराउंडिंग्स, देअर हॅबिटॅट्स आर देअर प्रोटेक्टिव्ह और देअर प्रोटेक्शन्स फ्रॉम देअर प्रेडेटर्स. सो अंडरस्टँड द concealment protective mimicry. So example is the caterpillar of geometrid moth, and another example is the stick insects. Now another type of the protective mimicry, that is the aggressive mimicry. So aggressive and protective. So from the protective, two is concealment and another one is the warning protective mimicry. So this warning protective mimicry, here there is the appearance of harmful creatures. Warning protective mimicry means the animals gives appearance of harmful creatures. So here best example is the non-poisonous snake, and another one is the flower flies that resemble the bee and wasps. So non-poisonous snakes, they are not having the poisonous, but they make the hood just like the poisonous cobra. बिनविषारी साप आहे, बिनविषारी साप आहे, पण त्याचा अपिअरन्स जर बघितला आपण तो कोब्रा सारखा आहे. कोब्रा नाहीये, तो बिनविषारी आहे. कोब्रा हा विषारी असतो. Cobra is a deadly poisonous snake. So here, non-poisonous snakes, they are making their appearance just like the poisonous for frightening to their predators. त्याचे जे भक्षक आहे त्या भक्षकाने त्याला बघून पळून जायला पाहिजे म्हणून ते काय करतात नॉन पॉइजनस स्नेक्स सारखा अपीयरन्स दाखवतात. अनदर एक्झाम्पल इज द फ्लावर फ्लाईज. सम ऑफ द फ्लावर फ्लाईज they are making their appearance just like the wasp. They are stinging wasps. गांधीर मासा जे आहे चावणारे गांधीर मासा त्यांना स्टिंग असते स्टिंगिंग और स्टिंग. So some of the flower flies they are having the sting. डसण्याचे जे apparatus आहे that is the biting apparatus which is present in the honeybee or which is present in the wasp. So some of the flower flies having that sting, but they are non-poisonous. They are not biting, but they are showing such appearance. So dear students, today we started the mimicry, and in the mimicry we have studied the definition of mimicry. Then Ford's view, Weismann's view, and Goldsmith's view about the mimicry. Then we have studied the types of mimicry. In the types, there is the protective and aggressive. Here today we have studied the protective. Again in the protective mimicry, there is the two types. Concealment protective mimicry. Example is the caterpillar and caterpillar of geometrid moth and stick insects. Another one is the warning protective mimicry. We have studied today. So here the example is non-poisonous snakes and flower flies which resembles the bee-like. So today we have studied this. The remaining part we will complete in next period, and this is the last chapter from the second unit. After completing this mimicry and coloration, our 2 units will be complete. Then I will send you the PDF file of notes of these 2 units. So dear students, you send your presentee as early as possible within 4 hours. See this lecture, online lecture, and send your presentee. So presentee is very important. For today, it is sufficient. Thank you. Dhanyavad.